Government vocabulary quiz. Write your name and your class period. Select one of the multiple choice answers. Cruel and unfair treatment by someone in the government position is which type of government? Is it A, limited government, B, unlimited government? Question number 2. A form of government in which the leader has absolute power and authority. A, dictatorship, B, rights, C, limited government, D, oligarchy. Question number 3. A government in which decisions are made by only a few people, usually the rich and powerful. Is it A, democracy, B, dictatorship, C, oligarchy, or D, Congress? Question number 4. A government that has no limit on power, fewer citizens' rights, and the government have absolute control is a form of A, oligarchy, B, dictatorship, C, limited government, D, unlimited government. Question number 5. The monarch is a symbolic head of state and shares power with the legislature. Is what type of government? A, republic, B, constitutional monarchy, C, monarchy, D, theocracy. Question number 6. Government is controlled by a religious leader. Is what form of government? A, republic, B, monarchy, C, theocracy. Question number 7. The ruler inherits her power. Is what form of government? A, monarchy, B, dictatorship, C, theocracy, D, constitutional monarchy. Question number 8. A government by the people and for the people is what type of government? A, monarchy, B, democracy, C, dictatorship, D, theocracy. Question number 9. A form of government where everyone, including authority figures, must obey the laws is what form of government? A, limited government, B, unlimited government. Question number 10. A government headed by religious leaders or a leader regarded as God is what form of government? A, theocracy, B, dictatorship, C, republic, D, monarchy. Question number 11. Explain the similarities and differences between limited and unlimited government. You're able to pause this video at any time. Remember to mark your answers clearly. Good luck.